Yeah, so there's actually multiple variables that come into play here. One is the ultra-low interest rates. The second is increasing longevity. And the third is the increasing shift of the burden for providing for retirement from the government and the employer to the individual. All those shift a lot onto the shoulders of the individual to seek to have to provide for themselves to be fully prepared to be able to maintain their quality of life in retirement. That's not an easy challenge, and many of them are not very well prepared for it. But the exciting thing about that is we can be a part of the solution. There's so many things we do that help people mitigate risk. Number one, we can assume risks that are difficult for an individual to assume, because while we know more than they do about what their own longevity will be, because we pool those risks, we can work very well in terms of providing solutions that reflect that in an efficient and in a predictable basis for the individual. Well, I think what most people are looking for is not just accumulating savings, but creating predictable outcomes. Outcomes that won't outlast them, meaning outcomes that will live with them and provide them predictable outcomes for life. We as insurance companies have the ability through annuities and other income type solutions to provide predictable income for life. To me, that's an incredibly important benefit, particularly as they can be less dependent upon their employer or less dependent on the government. It provides a very natural place for us to be a part of the solution.